Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix JVC TV remote not working, pair IR test batteries and reset. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV and remote. You just have to disconnect the JVC TV power cord from the wall outlet. Remove the batteries from the remote control, wait for 60 seconds to clear any frozen system cache. Plug the TV back in and turn it on using the physical button on the TV. Reinsert the batteries into the remote control. Fix 2. Check and clean the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote and then you have to press every button on the remote 3 to 4 minutes. Wipe down the infra IR bulb at the front of the remote with a clean cloth. Then replace the old batteries with a brand new alkaline batteries. Fix 3. Test the IR signal. Open the camera app on your smartphone and point the remote's front IR bulb directly at the camera lens. Press any button on the remote. Check your phone screen. If a flashing purple or white light is visible, the remote is working. The issue may be with a TV sensor. If no light is visible, the remote may be broken or needed a new batteries. Fix 4. Repairing Bluetooth remote. You just have to unplug the TV for 60 seconds and restart it. Wait until the TV finishes booting up and press and hold the home button on the remote for 10 to 15 seconds. Alternatively, press and hold the left back and option 3 lines button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Wait for remote to pair automatically. Thanks for watching.